In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how you can book your first social media marketing meeting. And also, if you think long enough, I'm going to be showing you guys my exact template I used to book my first appointment. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyema. For the new subscribers, I thank you so much for subscribing. I just need one more favor from you guys, and that is to hit that like button and also hit that notification bell button too. Let's jump straight into it. How can you book your first appointment or your first meeting for your social media clients? Right? So the first step is you need two things. You need persistence and consistency. Like, that's literally what you first need. That without those two, it won't be possible, like, obviously, right? So you first need persistence and you need consistency in whatever outreach method you're using. The next step is for you to find out what your favorite outreach method is. Now, for me personally, I like cold emails, right? So as I've told you in my last video, I've tried so many outreach methods out there, even emails too. But the first time I actually was really bad at emails, right? Until I actually had a course. I actually have a course right now that teaches you how to actually send the right emails and also how you can scale it from there. It's called Brand Spark Leads. I'll probably leave a link down in the description. Heads up, it's probably going to be an affiliate link, right? And honestly, I've been seeing good results. I'm probably going to post some results on this screen right here. So that's just the main thing, right? That's going to be your second step. So it's for you to find your best outreach method, right? Now, once you have done that, once you have found your best outreach method, all you need to do is now decide on how many you want to do every day, every single day, right? This is where your consistency and persistence have to come in place, right? So you have to know how many you need to do every day. Now, for me personally, I already know how many emails I need to send to book my first meeting, right? So for me, I need to send at least 186. Like, to be exact, like, to give you like the real numbers, I actually sent around 186 emails and I got one meeting from there, right? So it's meant to be actually 3 meetings, but the problem was those 2 people, they asked for a proposal and some asked a question I did not understand. So like, I didn't have a proposal at that time, so better luck next time. But the thing is, now I know how to fix it, right? So obviously I need to build a proposal. Then from there, I'm probably going to boost my appointment meetings. So that's just the basic thing, right? So you're going to know your numbers. So once you have decided to be consistent in whatever, you eventually will reach it, right? So obviously you have to now know how many emails you need to send for you to, or how many cold calls you need to do, or how many Loom outreach you need to do for you to book that your first meeting. That's just the basic thing about it, right? So once you have found out how many meetings or how many emails or how many cold calls you need to do, it's just going to be up from there, right? That's just the basic thing. And the best part about knowing your numbers is you can actually predict, or you can actually predict how many meetings you're going to get within a week of doing the same outreach method. That's just the basic concept of it, right? So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Leave a like and I'll see you guys. Peace. I'm just joking. So I told you guys I was actually going to give you guys my email template. So if you check down in the description, there's actually a Google Drive that shows you guys the exact template I used, then an example of the template I used. So like the exact template, right? Because actually 2 things. I actually first give the template, like the general template. Then the second step is actually the actual template I used to book my meeting. Then from there is now the replies I got and the replies I actually sent, right? So like basically the conversation, right? Obviously I'm going to blur out some names, so it's just the conversations I actually screenshotted for you guys so that you can use it too and get your own first meeting. So for real this time, it's Confidence signing out. Peace.